Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to blur someone's face in CapCut on PC. Whether you're protecting someone's privacy or hiding sensitive information, this method is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import your video. Drag the video onto the timeline. Now copy and paste the same video so you have two identical clips, one above the other. Next, click on the Effects tab at the top. Search for blur and choose the first blur effect. Drag the blur effect onto the bottom video clip. Increase the blur strength to the maximum or to your preferred level. Now select the top video clip. On the right panel, click Video, then select Mask. Choose the circle mask. Move and resize the circle so it covers the person's face. Next, enable the reverse option in the mask settings. Now only the face area will stay blurred while the rest of the video remains clear. And that's it. That's how you blur someone's face in CapCut on PC. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.